For 3 generations now, the Germain Motor Company has believed that success is dependent on the service we deliver to our customers. And nowhere is that more apparent than at Germain Lexus of Dublin. Devoted to meeting and exceeding our customers' expectations, one customer at a time.
The bold look of the 2010 IS exterior gives it a distinctive sporty style. At the heart of the IS 350 is a potent 3.5-liter V6 that churns out an incredible 306 horsepower and can go from 0 to 60 in 5.6 seconds. The IS 250 is swiftly propelled by a 2.5-liter V6, providing 204 horsepower. The available all-wheel drive option helps provide improved traction and control. The IS offers a range of interior luxuries and amenities. The driver and front passenger can set their own desired comfort level with dual-zone climate control. The latest available navigation system features a touchscreen interface, an advanced voice command system, and real-time updates. A sophisticated network of sensors and airbags help protect you and your passengers in different types of frontal and side collisions. The 2010 Lexus IS, rarely seen standing still.
Now more than ever, car buyers are looking for something they can count on. At Germain Lexus of Dublin, it's known as quality, dependability, and reliability. Plus, Germain Lexus offers the largest selection of Lexus vehicles in Ohio, along with world-class customer service. Not to mention, Germain Lexus is also a recipient of the prestigious Elite of Lexus Award. Come experience luxury the Germain way at Lexus of Dublin, conveniently located at Sawmill Road and 161.